Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Norma Acosta with momisdesigns, and in this channel you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs, how to price them, how to sell them, and where to get them at wholesale. Let me get ready and let's get to work. Okay, this is part 3 of the baby shower gift set, and we're going to go ahead. I'm using my Cricut design, and we're going to go ahead and make the onesie. So the client wants something that's from Dodgers. The onesie is in this color right here, the color of the team, and I'm going to show you how I uploaded. I bought this image on Etsy, so we're just going to go ahead and look for it again. I have it on my USB, so here it is. So I'm going to pick that, I'm going to open it, and I'm okay. So we go complex, continue. Okay, so at this point what we're gonna do is try to get rid of the background. I tried to do it before by using this option, remove background, but it was taking too much. So what I'm going to be doing is just trying to take as much as I can and make it nice and clean, just like that. It is a little more work, but you know, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. So I think that's good right there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop it. Let me get rid of this one too. You can go to erase and get rid of that. That's another easy way to do it. Just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and crop it, get rid of some of this space. So I'm just going to go like right here and choose it, and there we go. Okay, so now we're going to go apply and continue, and we're going to choose this option right here. Okay, and upload it. So then I'm going to choose that, and here it is right here. So now this is a onesie for 6 months. So the image is going to be on the front of it, so I'm going to make it 4.5 inches wide. So I'm just going to go here for 4.5. Okay, so that's already done. And so now I'm going to do an offset. I don't want it so big. I think that's good enough. So I'm going to apply it. So I'm going to turn this into white. This one right here, which is this one right here. I'm going to turn it into white, and then I'm going to grab all of it and I'm going to go flatten. So this one is ready. Now they want the number 50 in the back, so we're going to go ahead and do the number 50. Okay, and I'm going to look for a different font. so we're using dancing script for the number 50. We're gonna go ahead and do the name. So the name is gonna go all capitals, Damian. And we're gonna change the font on this one. I like this one here. So then this in the back needs to be about 5.5 by no more than 6. So we're gonna put this together, but the name is gonna go on top of it, just like that. Okay. And then we grab all of it, and we're gonna go ahead and weld it. So now we also need to turn it into white, and we said we wanted 5 inches, so we're going to go ahead and turn this to 5. There we go. So that's ready. So we're going to go ahead and print. This is going to be printed on a printable vinyl with a inkjet printer, and this is going to be printed with your Cricut. Okay, so that's what we're doing next. So I'm going to go ahead and send it to be made. And this one is showing us that it's going to print on paper, and then it's going to cut it, and then this one is going to print. We need to mirror this one. Okay, and now let's go back to this one. We're just going to go ahead and go continue, send to print, and I'm going to be using the HP MB 5530. No bleed. Take off the bleed, and then we're gonna go print. So now we're gonna go ahead and we'll align it. Here we go. So we're gonna let it go through the process of the printer is gonna read the lines so that it cuts, and these are called markers. So it's gonna go ahead and check the markers, and it's going to cut it, so it makes it easy on us. This one prints at 350 for 30 seconds. Okay, so that is ready. We're going to bring it out. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut here. Sometimes I use these little pieces for something, something small, so I like to save them. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and peel. See, there's the line right there. So just like that. We're just going to lift it up and pull right there. Here. That one. I think that's it. And here you go. Okay. So that one's ready. So now let's go ahead and do the other one right here. I'm going to use white vinyl. The other one right here. I'm going to use white vinyl. gonna go here, edit, mirror on the corner, done, and then upload it, and then place this here. Okay, and it's already done. I go ahead and cut. Okay, back inside. We just need to weed this out. So this is ready. Now let me get my heat press ready, and we'll move to the next step, which is printing all this into the onesie. See you in a minute. We are now ready. Since these are already done, we are ready to go ahead and put them on the onesie. We're gonna go ahead and put this one first, and this is gonna go in the back. I have this, for the vinyl at 320 for about 15 seconds, no more than that. So we're going to go ahead and line up from the seam, from this seam right here. We're going to go down 3 fingers, and then you're going to set it up right under the 3 fingers. Okay, and then you're going to just put it like right in the middle. Okay, and these you're going to cover with your microphone sheet. So you're going to go ahead and cover it at medium pressure. So this is only going to go for about 10 to 12 seconds. So there you go, it was 12 seconds. So we put this aside. This is a cold peel. Sometimes you need to, with your vinyl, you need to tape somewhere whether it's a hot peel or a cold peel. That's very important. At the beginning, I used to forget, and then I didn't know if it was a cold or a hot peel. So we're just going to go ahead and take it off. Wow, how pretty. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and press it again for about 5 to 6 seconds. I'm going to bring it in and press. There you go. And it is done. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. So now we're going to go in front, and we're going to go about halfway, like, let me show you, like halfway from here, maybe about another 3 fingers, okay, from 3 fingers from the seam, okay, just like that. And then you're going to go ahead and peel your image. That's why we didn't do this mirror, because it's an image that you peel off. So we carefully peel it off. And remember, this was printed on an inkjet printer. So there you go. So you just go ahead and align it where you think it's going to look pretty and cute and outstanding. Oh, I'm so excited about this. And then you're going to go ahead and use these again. And we're going to go for 30 seconds for this one. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to cool it off. So you go slowly, very slowly. Oh my goodness. So there it is. There it is. So we already have the 2 blankets, the coffee mug, the onesie, and all we need to do in the next video is the keychain with the baby's picture on that. So that's going to be the last video, and after that I'm going to go ahead and do the breakdown in the price and arrange everything in the box. So for now, you guys, I'm very excited of this project. May the Lord bless you today and every day, and until next time, thank you.